if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad.
Good morning, guys. Happy move-in day. We just got Starbucks. It had oat milk. It is truly a miracle. Now we are picking up the U-Haul. By we, I mean Jeff is picking up the U-Haul. Oh, that's so weird. You have to like send a picture of yourself that you're there. It's 8:55 and it's raining. So that's the current update. Alright, I need to turn off my windshield wipers. It's officially at 9:15. We have the U-Haul. We are really close to the apartments right now, and we're getting breakfast. So that's what's going on. Still drinking my coffee. I'm an anxious wreck, and I'm still drinking this. Jeff is going in and getting our breakfast right now. I just wanted to talk to the camera. I'm literally so anxious. Like, is anyone else like this? Like, I literally went to bed at like 1:15ish because I was like packing and stuff, and it's just so hard for me to like sleep the night before something like this. And I literally just start thinking about every possible outcome. And then I woke up this morning to 3 missed calls from some random number, so I called it back. And it was the guy from Nebraska Furniture Mart, which is our couch, where we got our couch. And it was literally 7:30 in the morning, and he was like, oh, I'm here with your couch. And I was like, well, my couch was supposed to come between 9 and 11 a.m. Like, I'm not there, I don't have my keys yet. And he was like, oh, well, I'm here with your couch. And I was like, okay, well, and then I like re-explained it to him. And he was like, okay, I'll just stay here until 9 a.m. then. And I was like, okay, like, you don't have to like sit there and wait. But like, if that's your only option, then like, I'm really sorry. And then he ended up calling me back and saying that he's just gonna make us his last stop, which is really nice, because I was getting so stressed, because if I knew that he was gonna be coming at that time, I would have prepared for that. But I was told that they were coming between the hours of 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., not 7:30 a.m. So it just like, I literally woke up to that, and I've just been so anxious ever since, because there's just so many like moving parts, and like being at the right place at the right time when something gets delivered, and like if you're not there, then like you have to sign for it, so you're not gonna get it. And it's just a whole ordeal. We get the keys to our apartment in about 20 minutes. And I don't know, I'm just anxious. I just need to calm down. But I can't. And it'll help when I eat. Jeff is walking to my car with food right now. We got Rush Bowls, and they have these really good like pita breakfast sandwiches. It's like pita, honey, granola, like mashed up raspberries, and peanut butter. It's so good. And I think there's banana in it too, but I'm very hungry, so maybe that will help me. Breakfast is served. This is what it looks like. Just a little pita, and then they like toast it on a press. So good. And then Jeff, he just got a protein smoothie. That's over there. He's moving the U-Haul currently. And then he also got one of those sandwiches, and we're gonna drive down like near the water and eat, so it's a little bit more relaxing, and then we'll get our keys. We are on our way back to my apartment right now, my old apartment, I guess you could say, where all the boxes and everything are, and we're gonna start loading up the U-Haul and bringing it back to the new apartment. I literally feel like I look like I crawled out of a sewer, but that's fine. But anyway, we're driving back right now. We're gonna load up the U-Haul, all of that stuff, and then we have furniture deliveries starting around like 1, so we have about 2 hours. My brother and his girlfriend Elise are at my apartment right now, and they're gonna help us because they're sweet angels. So anyway, that's the update. That's what's going on. Pray for my anxiety. I'm scared that guy's gonna call. Oh my god.
We love the camera.
We love the camera. We love attention. Here. She's beautiful. I'm obsessed with her. Welcome to my new home. Alright, so when you first walk in the door, there's a little nook where you can put like your shoes, hang your jackets, that kind of thing. To the left, it goes down this little hallway, and that's where we have our nest for air conditioning. And then this is our little half bath. There's a cute little mirror set up and just like a little toilet. So really simple for the hallway for guests. And then going down this hallway, turn left, straight ahead, that's our living room in here. Super open. And then this is our kitchen. I'll show you guys this way. Okay, here's the kitchen. Obsessed with all the white. You guys know I've wanted my kitchen to be white for so long, and I'm just so happy because it's like so bright. And yes, I'm obsessed. I literally cannot wait to make my morning coffee right there, you know? It's just, you know, romanticizing our life over here. This is the kitchen. Super cute. So many drawers. I'm so excited for all the organization. And then on this side, we just have the sink and dishwasher. And then we also have this little wine cooler, which honestly I'm probably gonna just put our kombucha in, maybe some wine every once in a while. And then over here is just a little space. I'm thinking about putting a table here. I'm not sure yet. It kind of just depends on the functionality of the space and like how much extra room we have. Here's the fridge. Huge fridge. Look at that. Fridge is so big. And then the freezer is down here. Also in the kitchen, we have quite a bit of pantry space. All of this. All of this. And then these are nice to like display like mugs and like plates and that kind of thing. Just literally so much storage. Okay, and then leaving the kitchen, going to the left is the study. This is where Jeff will have like his work set up, and we might put a couch in here, I'm not sure yet, but it's just a cute little room with wood floors, and it has a good size closet as well. It's a really good size closet, honestly. Might make you put all your clothes in here. Just kidding. And then going into here is the master bedroom. Very spacious. And then to the right is actually our washer and dryer slash laundry room slash closet. Closet is a good size. And I like that the washer and dryer is in there. I've never had that before. And then obviously our room. Going into the bathroom. Super spacious. We have a actual standing shower. Super pumped for this. And bathtub. all the things. I'm obsessed with all the storage as well. Just so much more storage than my last apartment. And we have these little storage things in here as well. Super exciting. Here's the kitchen. There's just double windows. Yes, this is it, guys. Do you like your new home? It doesn't smell like home yet, does it? An adventure kitty. Welcome home, Bubs. You say hi to Mom. Can you smile? Bubs! Oh, look, it's you in the mirror. There's two of you. This is the current state of the kitchen. I'm currently unpacking like plates and putting everything in the cabinets. It is a slight disaster in here, but that's okay. But I figured I would do a little montage. So for creamer, I use the Silk oat milk. This is the vanilla one. And I'm just gonna put it in my frother. Archie, this is not for you. Ew. Okay, so I put it in my frother. And then I always do this setting. It's like a cappuccino foam. So good.